All right, we're live, guys. Thank you, Anilji.
Thank you.
Awesome. So Anilji is our lead chef today. Welcome, everyone. Archana Di, you're on mute.
All right, so where's Ajay ji? Okay, welcome everyone. So today's Khyenchen is going to be led by Ajay ji, Ajay Dar, and he's going to make Olav Mond, the bay Nadir churma. He's going to make a potato patty with ginger, adrak, Olav. So Ajay ji, take it from here. Thank you so much for leading today's session.
No problem at all.
इनफैक्ट अजय से पहले पूछना चाहिए था हमें, जैसे वो इंटरव्यूज में नहीं होता रियलिटी शोज में पेरेंट्स आते हैं किसी बच्चे के, आपको कैसा लग रहा है इस शो में आके?
पहले एक डिस्क्लेमर, I'm not a cook. I don't cook. My mother is a great cook. Then I got married, and Monica is an even better cook. So there has been not much reason for me to cook.
Right.
But I'll tell you how I'd like to do this is kind of like, you know, when somebody who doesn't know how to cook, and this is going back to when I first came to the States, I was not yet married, and sometimes you just need to have a quick Indian fix or a quick Kashmiri fix. So what I used to do, Striper residency ke dauran, I would make a big thing of chawal, Saturday or Sunday ko, and I'd make one dal. So I'm going to show you very quickly how I make that dal. So I'm a pressure cooker man. This is the only pressure cooker that I'm allowed to use in our house, by the way. So if it looks dirty, that's just me. So I would take little oil in the pressure cooker. Thoda sa ye dala. Thoda sa zeera usme dala. Let it cook a little bit. And there used to be a store in DC. Uska naam tha Magruder. It was the only store jahan monj milti thi. So I would get like one monj exactly or two. I'll put it in. Fry it a little bit. So bear with me. This is very quick and easy. Not for the experts, not for the people who do it well. This is for a bachelor trying to make something that lasts for the week. I'll put a little namak, a little, maybe it needs to fry a little bit, but we'll just do it really fast, okay? This was not the intent, this is just the additional. Little adrak powder, little haldi. And the only reason why ye cheezon mein hai, because if you see our masala dabba, it does not look good. So,
so you have a separate masala dabba also?
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Every time we clean it, next 2 days, it's back to the same thing.
Yeah.
So,
bilkul.
And then this is some
practical tips here, you know, what all of us, our masala dabbas are the same.
Is that right? So this is the dal, this is the wash.
ये क्या आपने डाला अजय?
दाल है
दाल अच्छा दाल
moong dal, huh? And then I put water and I would just put the lid, and the only trick that my mom had said, do siti and then put it under the water so it doesn't keep cooking. Anyway, so that was just my 2 cents of what I used to do. And then Saturday, Sunday ko ye banti thi. And then sometimes when I would come from work and I had time, so I would make what I'm making for you today. So main bhool gaya ye hamara na, we have this kya bolte iska naam, electric stove. So it's not as
flame
efficient. So anyway, this is the oil. This is the grated potato. I put a little salt in it, and I'm going to take out all the water. So ye kareeb, I think I put 1.5 medium-sized potatoes. Maybe the grating is too fine. But anyway, I'll bring out all the water as best as I can.
Mm-hmm.
This is the grated adrak. Mix it together. I put a little Kashmiri mirch. A little hing. And just kind of mix it. I like the color to be a little pinkish, sir. I feel that means मेरी मिर्ची काफी है.
अजय इस पे कुछ बाइंडर डालना होता है क्या?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
ये खुद ही हो जाती है बाइंड.
आलू पे नहीं.
आलू की वजह से.
आलू में नहीं.
Yeah, so actually what I did was initially I thought I would do it early and I grated it and that aloo na pani mein jab usko maine squeeze kiya all the starch came out.
Okay.
So it was not binding, but I hope this one will be okay. So all I'm doing is this and I hope the oil is
perfect.
Done and just put it
quick and
here.
Easy. Perfect.
Quick and easy. So I would make 2 or 3 of them with the dal and the chawal. That would be my dinner.
That's perfect. You know, Ajay, this is what we are trying to reproduce in Khyenchen is that, you know, traditional dishes are fine, but sometimes they can take time. And we want to do some quick meals, which is about like 20 minutes top.
Yeah. The problem is my. So this will take a little time because it was not warm. I forgot to do that, but.
You have a bit of a help. Look at that, man. Adorable.
Yes. She's cute. Is it a she?
She? Yeah, she's old. You know, she's almost 12-13 साल की अब old हो गई है बेचारी. पहले छोटी थी, but anyway, so that's what I was going to do. Is there somebody else also who is cooking today?
Renu is cooking along.
Renu, are you?
No, but is anybody else? Any other dish or anybody else? No.
No, I think we were just going to like watch you and
then do the proverbs.
Do the proverbs, but Renu is doing. Are you also doing Olu? Renu, are you also doing Alu or Nadar?
मुझसे पूछ रहे. Sorry, वो सुनाल क्या बोल रहे हो?
To check around Olav Mond can check Nadar.
हाँ, मैंने आलू और नदरू को मिक्स किया and ginger उसी में डाल दिए. Because मेरे पास ना frozen नदरू थे जो चूरमा I cannot do. मैंने already frozen ये किए, grate किए.
अच्छा, ठीक.
You are the expert, so.
Yeah.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, fusion अच्छा है.
Always learn from everybody.
No learning. I just wanted to kind of really tell what I used to do. You know, in real time at that time, क्योंकि घर की याद आती थी.
I know. You took me down the memory lane, Ajay. As I said, my nani used to make these for me. I used to enjoy them. I have to make it.
You know, in late 1990s, when I came here, they went Indian stores, nahi the Indian cheeses. So when I discovered ye Magruder mein Monge, so I knew there was something, and there used to be one Indian store in Rockville, in Maryland. उसी के पीछे कभी वो कुछ धनिया that much. Now it's a different world.
Oh my God! Since in 2000s, things Indian stores exploded. When we also came late 1990s, 97, 98, there was एक store हमारे बाहर. उसमें मैं एक बार गई और उसमें भिंडी मैंने देखी. भिंडी के hardly like half a pound was like $5. I was like, no way am I going to buy this. So our closest stores like were Edison, and that was like 1 hour plus distance that we had to travel, and we used to go there once a month to get Indian groceries.
Yeah.
And now there are like Indian stores in every corner here.
Yes, we actually
every mile.
For a few years we lived in a small town in Louisiana. I was on a J1 visa, so I had to do that waiver. And we used to travel to Houston to get our Indian fix. Or Houston was like, you know, like going to Karol Bagh sometimes.
Yeah.
But so anyway, so this that it should, I think that's probably a...
Ajay ji, you rang a bell of the J1 visa. We also were on J1 visa.
Oh, really?
My husband had to, downtown Philly.
Okay.
He did,
That's a nice place.
4 years of his J1 visa there, yeah.
Yeah. People used to call it Gandhi visa, and it really was in some ways.
Those were the days. Those were the days, yeah. You remind me of a lot of things. Right now, I think that this is a wonderful demonstration for all the students who have just left for colleges and all that, Dar and Olav Mond, nothing as perfect.
Nothing beats it, yeah.
Perfect combination. Perfect.
Yeah, I think I'll take them out, I think. They may not be done. We can always complete it.
So what's the ratio of adrak you put in it? I think Renu puts more adrak.
No, that's not nadru. That's purely aloo and adrak. So I put adrak more in that one, aloo just for binding.
Yeah.
That's an adrak mode.
That was my question. कि when you do
वैसा भी होता है?
आलू बाइंड करने के लिए ज्यादा उसमें आलू कम पड़ेगा ना रेनू?
नहीं उसमें फिर then you put चावल का आटा थोड़ा सा.
Oh, you did? Okay, that. Can you walk?
So, Renu, you put lot of adrak and less
aloo, adrak,
right?
Because you need. I like adrak more. It's like adrak more. Aloo is just for filling there, thoda sa.
Filling, acha.
And then zira powder, whole zira, green chilies काट के and red chili powder. Plus नमक तो obviously स्वाद अनुसार, and then थोड़ा सा चावल का आटा just for binding. Then make tikkis out of it. Shallow fry. You don't even have to deep fry them.
Yeah, very shallow. So this is nadru. Okay, this is just nadru that I had cut, and I put little salt and red chili pepper. और मेरी mother ना इसमें अखरोट crush करके डालती हैं.
Wow.
So I put some अखरोट. I didn't put a lot because I didn't know if I would be able to. And then I'm putting just some rice powder, just sprinkling rice powder on top of it. No batter, nothing, just like that. Very simple.
अजय ये नदुर चूरमा है कि नदुर मोंड नदुर
चूरमा
अच्छा नदुर चूरमा तो आते कैसे तेल अच्छा इसमें भी चावल का आटा डालना चाहिए ओके
मैं डालता हूँ just for crispy. My wife is saying this is nadur mond, so sorry, technical fault.
मगर अखरोट मैंने पहली बार सुना है.
हाँ मैंने भी पहली बार सुना अखरोट.
I don't know if everybody will like it, so I'm just putting this under water so it stops cooking
too much, right?
I don't know कैसी बनी but anyway. So I think this is. I'm going to just fry the nadru. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
So in the meantime, Indu, you want to check everybody's Kashmiri? How good they are at.
Do you want me to put everyone to test? Sure.
Yeah.
I have to say, Ajay ji has mastered the art of pressure cooker. मुझे अभी भी I make blunders in pressure cooker, but look at the way he moved the pressure cooker from the stove to sink.
I have to tell you a funny story about the Instant Pot and pressure cooker. So when the Instant Pot came out, so we obviously, we got it. Mm-hmm. And then I got my daughter and, her also instant. Okay, you cook. So after like a year, I could not figure out how to use the instant cooker. And I was so used to the pressure cooking. So I'm like, I'm done. I cannot. I just gave it to someone. I'm like, I can't handle this thing.
It's supposed to be very convenient though, right?
It is supposed to be, but
yeah, it's convenient.
मैं भी use करती हूँ, but मुझे भी वो I haven't been able to figure it out कि ये इतनी जल्दी होता है कि नहीं,
Same here.
No, actually,
वो नहीं मैं figure out कर पाई.
Is it better than pressure cooker though? I mean, I have.
It's in the sense like हमारा pressure cooker इसमें timer आप लगा सकते हैं. It's an electric pressure cooker basically, instant pot, right? So this one, if you forget it, just भूल जाओ. फिर कभी-कभी हो सकता है. तो instant pot का जैसे अभी कल मैंने I'll send the picture मैंने day before yesterday I made दाल उसी में. नहीं तो मैं usually तड़का अलग से लगाती हूँ in a separate pan and then दाल उसमें उड़ेल देती हूँ. But in instant pot I just put जब time नहीं है उसी में डाल दो आप saute mode पे रख दो पहले. And then put जो तड़के के लिए चाहिए जीरा जो भी चाहिए and then saute थोड़ा सा ginger garlic paste saute couple of minutes but saute mode पे ही रखना है and then put प्याज saute and then tomato.
And then add dal.
नहीं टमाटर, हाँ उसके बाद जो मसाला डालना आपको, हल्दी गरम मसाला whatever,
right.
उसके बाद दाल धो के डाल दो 20 मिनट्स के लिए हाई प्रेशर पे, फिर सॉटे मोड से छोड़ के देन पुट इट ऑन प्रेशर कुक। हाँ तो 15 to 20 मिनट्स रख दो आप ऑन हाई प्रेशर एंड देन स्टीमिंग पे, नॉट वाल ओपनली, एंड उसके बाद लेट 15-20 मिनट जब हो जाएंगे इट्स डन। यू कैन ईदर मैश इट as per your taste, right? So but it's actually pretty good. चावल सबसे बेस्ट है, चावल तो फटाफट बन जाता है।
कर लो, हाँ वो ये कि
चावल is like 8 minutes, 2 cup.
Really?
Yeah. Right. If you soak it, it's even lesser than that. It's like 4 minutes.
Oh goodness.
My 8 quart is sitting like a bride over there on the countertop.
No, 8 quart you will never use it because I never used 6 quart. I had it lying somewhere for ages. Then I bought 3 quart.
Oh, so that's way to get a smaller one.
Yeah.
Right.
हम लोग दही जमाते हैं उसमें, you know, it has
लोग जमाते हैं,
but तो हम लोग दही जमाते हैं।
4 घंटे में फर्स्ट क्लास जमता है, you don't need it.
Yeah. दही अच्छा जमता है, दही अच्छा जमता है।
But it takes 8-10 hours.
हाँ, रात को लगा दो तो
maybe next time Renu you can cook in the instant pot. वो जैसे हमने air fryer किया ना last time. We are using air fryer for like, you know, a lot of things now. So maybe it'll be instant pot technique.
Okay. Yeah. I have started exploring things in.
Yeah, that's good because I might also get the 3 quart one because I also had the lot bigger one.
Yeah, you will never use it.
It was useless. So then I just gave it.
Now you're just 2 of you. I don't think you will ever use it.
Right. We need to get like a smaller one.
Nice how these are coming up crisp in such little oil.
Yeah,
I don't.
So नदर मंच के लिए सिर्फ नदर मंच बनानी है तो क्या करना है?
नदर मंच के लिए do you use rice flour?
Rice flour, yeah.
अच्छा हाँ, because उसके लिए तो चाहिए लाल मिर्ची पाउडर and then red.
नदर मंच नहीं।
Oh, नदर मंच के लिए तो हाँ he already.
अच्छा क्या बनना रेनू ताचु ना करुण
ना ये तो उनने भी बनाई ना, नदर मंच तो उनने भी बनाई। I'll let Ajay ji.
Nadaar is same.
क्या करना है?
एक मिनट अजय जी से पूछते हैं, उनने जो किया because he's demoing it, right?
You want to just give us a
recap a little
on your Nadar Munch?
So I just put rice flour, mirchi, little hing, mirchi, namak. I mixed it with the nadru and then I just sprinkled rice flour on top.
And a little salt.
Oh.
And then made a patty?
I didn't make
ये patty नहीं है, ये चूरमा
patty is different on the side.
चूरमा नहीं बनाना, मुझे वो बनाना है।
So she's talking about Nadar Mond ki.
Mond is on the side, what you made earlier.
Patty wala.
Yeah, but you'll have to grate it, right?
Yeah, you have to grate it then, yes.
Grate it and add the salt and flour.
Adrak and mirchi and a little bit of flour, rice flour.
अच्छा ठीक है।
That's a lot of work though, grating the nadru. Yeah, is it easy?
नहीं easy है, तट नहीं कद्दूकस पे
कर। Okay, so this is my dal.
Wow.
Okay, that's too kind. Nobody has tasted it yet.
It looks good.
आप इनको spotlight पे डाल दो instead of speaker view. Indu, just put him on the spotlight so that we will always be on his kitchen view.
Spotlight पे ही है अजय जी actually.
Spotlight पे है? अच्छा ठीक।
He is pinned, yeah.
मैं साइड से शीट भी लगा रही हूँ।
Oh, nice.
So I'm going to tell you what I used to eat after coming back from a hard day's work.
Oh, look.
Having only, and you know, I'm a vegetarian. So at work, I would get, like, they had lima beans in that thing. Lima beans या peas. उसमें मैं इतना कुछ hot sauce या कुछ डालता था और नमक और वो खाता था मैं. And that used to be my thing. But when I would come home, and if I had dal and chawal, and that.
Look at that.
Very appetizing. Mouth watering.
Nice. I'm actually hungry.
So delicious. So nice.
But this is what I used to eat. So this is bringing back some memories to me, of many years ago. And of course, Mona will say, "Kya banaya na kaatli," but.
Arey yaar. Mona, is Mona also a vegetarian?
Yes.
Okay.
अब तो मुझे जब आना है तो मुझे क्या क्या मिलेगा इतना टेस्टी?
अरे यार, इससे ज्यादा टेस्टी क्या चाहिए हमको? And a cup of coffee on the side.
A cup of coffee.
Wow. आपका तो डिनर हो गया, मोना. आज डिनर हो गया आपका. So perfect, right?
Yeah. Now we can do the proverbs.
Go on.
Okay.
Clean the kitchen.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Chalo,
we can go in parallel.
All right. Yeah. Who is up for? Let's go. I have a few in front of me. So I'm going to give you a funny English, not an English equivalent, but a funny English translation, and you have to tell me the Kashmiri proverb to it. My fault, my love. My own fault, my love.
Own fault, my love.
It's literally a translation.
गलती
नहीं.
Kashmiri translation.
Kashmiri.
क्या बोला था?
My own fault.
My own fault is my love. Like I love my faults.
I love my fault.
Come on.
Okay.
So कैसे मेन गलती छे मेन
गलती नहीं है.
गलती मेन लोल.
There is no word for love in Kashmiri, so.
Okay, let me make it beloved. My own fault is my beloved. It's
my
something.
Myon shushu myoni galti. No, myon shushu myon kamzori.
Good try. Renu was close too.
मैंने क्या बोला था? म्योन
पनुन.
अच्छा, म्योन पनुन.
फनी गलती में ना फनी गलती ना.
अनिम सॉय क्या से वो नहीं है.
म्योन किस्मत में खराब है.
उर्दू वर्ड चाहत करूँ. अब पनुन माशूक. चलो, I'll give it away.
Urban Mashok.
Panun Mashuk, because it comes actually apparently from Persian saying, Scottish saying apparently. Sampar, the gift gives us to see ourselves as others see. So, we see our own faults as our gifts. Like we don't really recognize it until somebody else does, right?
That's
good
nice.
one, Dida.
Very
that
good.
Was a good one, yeah.
So I think originate hua hai Scotland mein. Wahan se uska, yeah. All right, ready for another one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course.
I was going to say the Kashmiri one. Knife in the water.
क्या Indu Bevan?
Knife in the water.
Kitchen knife.
In the water.
It's as if having a knife in the water.
Something shark.
What's the
shark.
Yes, you're right. So what does it mean? Anybody knows?
Pan shark. Wow.
Yes.
कहाँ पे use करते हैं?
Panital shark या abtal shark.
It's is it like stabbing someone in the back?
Almost. Yes. Yes, it is actually. It means a traitor in the camp.
Traitor in the camp.
Like you get stabbed from nowhere, unexpected.
Yeah, because it's under the water. It's hidden. Yes, I got it. Yeah.
So Brutus pe bana hoga shayad ye. I don't know where it originates from, but it's like ye too.
What's the dal? I have to make more rice.
We need more rice, Ajay. Did you make it only for yourself? I forgot to ask.
That's it.
He was
nobody else eats what I make anyway.
This is for his residency days when he was alone, living by himself.
I used to make a lot.
Food.
I used to make big.
Wow, that's commendable. You actually.
It had to last
that.
for a week. See, it had to last for a week.
Trust me, I used to do the same thing. I used to cook on Sundays, like so much that it will last me at least until Wednesday. And then on Wednesday, I would probably, it was my cooking day. In the middle of the week, it was Monday and, you know, Wednesdays and Friday, Saturday, you know, Saturday. So we've all done that bulk cooking. Yeah. Yeah.
So that looks, you're doing something complicated there, Renu.
No, I'm just putting two pans together because I'm really.
Renu, जरा दिखा तेरा हो गया क्या?
नहीं अभी हो रहा है.
Okay. Nadur में थोड़ा time लगता है if you want to make it crispier. Yes.
Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that looks
nice.
That's
really
amazing.
Nice.
Yeah.
So this is more of nadur, little bit of aloo.
Yeah.
No, but your things are so uniform and they're brown so nicely.
Not really.
That's a professional person, not a weekend warrior.
Yours were very nice as well.
Actually,
Thank you,
better. I like yours better.
Thank you. Okay, next proverb.
Next proverb, dear. I didn't know I had to translate them, but I'm going to try.
I'm trying to unpin. What did I do? All right. I have to translate it. Cock itches, the chick learns.
Oh, it's yeah.
You'll know it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Kakutachan.
Yes.
Kakutachan Poothechan.
Good one. Kakutachan Poothechan.
So let me just do one translation.
Yes.
Put salt over boiling water.
Last sentence पे क्या था इनका?
Boiling water. Put salt.
Narismans क्या था? Narivikt क्या था इनका रूल?
Nana Grakwen Panis Noon Punis Noon.
Yeah, it's Grekipet Noon Traun.
What does it mean?
It means hurry makes bad curry. So if you were
okay.
So if you're like at the end doing like the chores at the end, the product will be bad.
Okay.
So, you know, the salt when you put it on the top of like boiling water already, it's not going to give you.
It's not going to go in. True.
That's a good one.
So I have another one, but I don't know how to translate it honestly.
Funnily. Funny translation.
Anyone else?
नहीं इंदु के पास ये ना खजाना
इंदु के पास
खजाना
नहीं है वो
in the meantime you can Archana can just translate. In the meantime she can figure out the teda meda English.
I'm gonna ask you what the meaning of this is because I have the meanings.
Repeat कीजिए अर्चना दी.
Pushuk tinai to tsoluk tina.
Okay.
That is yeah.
A loyal friend. I mean, you weren't loyal, but not too helpful. Pushuktane means you weren't really helpful. No.
Grapes are sour?
No.
Pushuktane matlab.
If you were not helpful.
But you never ran away either.
Yeah. So this goes back to our history a little bit. So that's why I put it on the top. Pushuktinai Tsoluktinai is basically that if you can't, if your force is small, then the best thing is to run away, Pushuktinai Tsoluktina. So it's like if you could not basically combat your adversaries, then the best thing for you is to just leave. Pushuk
in that sense, yes.
Pushuk is like Pushusnatamis.
Right.
So Pushuk. You have another one, Indu?
I'm reminded of one. I have a big list, but mujhe suddenly
it means if you cannot stand heat in the kitchen, get out.
Yeah, that's another way of putting it.
Thank you.
Translation, yes.
And that's a perfect one for today. There's one that, one lull that's I wanted to say, which is kind of apt for these days, that Telimale asan tithi keren, tang tsoont papan teran suit, maj kori neran athwas karit, doh din baran garan suit. It's a lalwa. So it's talking about the Kali Yuga, that, when she depicted what Kali Yuga is going to be like, is that all the fruits are going to ripe at the same time. So we have come to a situation that we can get all kinds of fruit all year round by, hybridizing and all that. And so you get all kinds of fruit. Otherwise in Kashmir way back, they were seasonal. They were seasonal, but now it's year round. And the difference between the age mother and daughter, there was like, a lot of, what can I say, behavior difference between mothers and daughters, but we don't see that much right now.
Exactly.
And so they say that Majikorineran Athwaskari. So they'll go out together, have a fun day here and there. And then they will both go in the morning, come back in the evening, and Dohdin Baran Garan Suit. They'll be having fun time with others. So I don't know how people take it, but this is Laldet in 1400.
Wow. Profound.
Wow.
There is one from one of Laldet that I know, my Tulum Tulum Hatman Tulum Panun Pan Tulum Nazam. My grandmother would tell me that when she'd be mad with me. And it's very simple. It's very straightforward. Tulum Tulum Hatman Tulum Panun Pan Tulum Nazam. I mean, I wait and wait, but I found fault with everybody, but I didn't find.
But I didn't look internally. I did not find fault with myself. Yeah.
So एक नया version मैंने इस पे किया. Let me flip my camera. मैंने griddle पे बना दिया.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Griddle पे it's same thing. Tawa या griddle. I usually do that if I have to do it for parties.
उठने में easy हो रहा था.
Easy होता.
And you don't griddle and then oven में भी कर सकते हो आप. अदरक में usually parties होती हैं.
ये देखो कितने आराम से उठ रही है.
कहाँ पे मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिख रहा?
हाँ, दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है किसी को?
हाँ, I was able to see it पहले, but अब नहीं.
दिख रहा है अभी भी.
हाँ, oh wow, okay.
हाँ, ये ना, ये brown देखो कितना अच्छा हो गया.
बहुत अच्छा.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah, they look like golden, like uniform golden.
Beautiful.
True. When pe pagatani banaun.
I'm tempted. I'm going to try it too. It's frozen nadru.
I got some nadrus. Nice. रेनू तुम्हारे पास कौन सा तुम्हारे तो
मेरा तो frozen ही है. मेरे पास fresh nadru नहीं थे.
ऐसे खा रहा. Renuti, do you have the ring cut frozen or the lamba wala?
नहीं, ring cut वाला था. Ring वाला ही मैंने उसको chop किया इसमें grater में.
Oh, okay.
Chopper में डाल दे हाथ से. You can't do that really.
Is that the one
Indian store वाले?
The Indian store में ना वो जो मिलते हैं.
हाँ.
Oh, that's helpful to know. Thank you.
Oh, no, look.
Take pictures of whatever you're making. Ajay, you as well.
Vivek is making something.
Vivek is on?
Yes, but he just gave us a glimpse and then he's gone.
Preetu was on too.
So we tried.
There.
Thank you so much, Ajay. We tried and I'm thinking Arni can have
Oh my God.
Vivek, is that you?
So it's really delicious. Thank you so
Wow.
much, Ajay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful. Take pictures, please. Take pictures.
Sure.
We have to post them
And
on the
you have
thing.
to post it. Yeah.
Wonderful. Ajay ji, we want a picture of your thali. It is very appetizing.
Oh, absolutely.
Your simple foods are very appetizing.
You guys are too kind.
No, I mean it, because last time you made that khichdi, it was, one could have it all day. It was good.
Ajay, ये दाल कौन सी वाली थी?
This was the dhuli hui moong ki dal.
Dhuli
moong ki dal.
Yellow wali.
Yellow wali.
Yellow wali.
I know. But you know, if you can also make it आधा ये and आधा वो green छिलके वाली होती है ना?
छिलके वाली.
हाँ, you mix half and half. It's also nice. It comes out well.
It's nice. So
Archana ji, you ready for 6 o'clock
today now?
Oh boy, yeah. Ajay ji, I'm sorry, you didn't send me your bio, dear.
That's fine. Just ignore me. That would be
I can't ignore you. People will ignore me then.
I'll send you something.
Just send me some, a few lines.
I will.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to give one final proverb, which Renu and Ajay ji need to make note of. I have to translate it first. I don't have an equivalent. So sorry for the shabby one. Nahi, mujhe yaad aaya because my parents would repeat this. If not on lips, do you not even have it in your pot? I don't know. It's fun. You can't invite, but can you at least not say it with the lips? I think it's the other way. Like, you can't invite me in, but can you at least be
kind and
hospitable yeah. It's a good one, and it's etched in my memory because I used to hear it a lot.
Man, I'm so bad at these.
Come on, you can do it, Renu. You were close to many of
them.
them.
Repeat it.
Achha, literal translation karti hu. You don't have anything in your pot to share. At least, do you have anything on your tongue? Like, can you make use of the tongue?
Oh, okay.
Something like that. That'll probably ring a bell.
I think Archana can.
Why not?
I think, yeah, she's probably recalling it. क्या बोलिए प्रिंस दी?
गलत है. I'm just saying it loud.
Tongue, pot, these are the key words. If not in the pot, at least have something on your tongue, like something like
that.
You're close.
मतलब मुंह में राम नाम बगल में छुरी ऐसा वाला कुछ?
No.
It's just like being if you don't have anything to offer someone, at least offer them a sweet.
Yes. Let me know when to give it away.
I don't think I can do it. I'm kind of.
I know.
Yeah. You can. You're close, actually.
I mean, I just said Zev. I didn't say anything else.
Gal is Zev something?
I hope I'm saying it right. It's something like Deglichwina Zevitichwina.
मतलब खिलाने के लिए भी नहीं, एटलीस्ट बोल तो सकते हैं.
हाँ, तो gesture से एक तो बोल सकते हैं. Yeah, it doesn't go with the times because. रेनू बन गए?
हाँ, last वाला लगा रही हूँ, but I'll take picture later because मेरे को flip करना है, so it will take some time.
So I'm going to say one, you can translate it, it's very easy one, you can translate it in English. Pilam tinai sokigom. Very.
Wow.
Very easy.
Grapes are sour?
Yeah, perfect, yeah.
Yeah,
pilam tinai sokigom.
Pilam, okay.
Pilam tinai, so I couldn't reach them. It's like they're sour, yeah.
Good one. Hey, Arno. Hi, sweetie.
Mama Masi.
Hey.
Hello, Mama Masi.
Hi, Mama Masi.
What,
you, baby. That's Arni. That's Pritu's and Vivek's daughter. She is 4.
Wow, look.
He wanted to say hello to everyone. Namaskar.
Hi,
Namaskar.
Everybody. So due to COVID, we are not able to see Beru Didi. So she, whenever she sees her on Zoom, she's like, Mama Masi is there. Mama Masi is there.
You are. Papa made another munch too. You're gonna have a snack today. Nice snack. Nice.
Come to my home now.
I wish.
Can they come now?
Yes, let them finish with it.
Oh, that's so cute.
Just in the last year, she's grown. Oh my God.
I know.
This is a fun age.
Over a year, I've seen her now.
It's cute age. But Vivek has to lead the session. Indu was saying that he's a good cook.
I've been poking him a lot, so hopefully.
Oh, you mean Vivek?
Time,
yeah.
Vivek, yes.
He actually contributes a lot in writing, but practically, Vivek ji, you have to now come to the forefront. Ajay ji has actually, started
the stage.
Trend. Yeah. So next is you. How's that? And you're a good cook. I know that.
You're on mute, Vivek. आप mute पे हो. विवेक आप mute पे हो.
ये नहीं सुन रहे.
Mute
पे हो क्या?
No, I was saying कि इसकी कोई कहावत नहीं है क्या कि 2 मन बोझ ना हो तो पान न करूँ किएन.
Good one.
Very good. Many sessions.
Third Sabbath Monday.
Those already Kermit sessions.
Arshadi
has led many sessions, so you have to go beyond trivia, Vivek.
Renu and I go a long way, man. I mean, we have now graduated into life.
We have graduated. We need to give chance to newcomer. Baki talent.
Can I say something? Can I say something? Yeah, for those of you who are interested in Kashmiri proverbs,
yeah,
I have a book on Kashmiri proverbs that you can download from the website. It's written by Professor Olav Mond.
Okay.
Predwanji's Mataji, he is no more, but excellent book, Kashmiri proverbs. It's.
I think I have had a look at that. Sunilji. Yeah.
Indu, is it? Could it be the same one?
मैं वही check कर रही हूँ ये किसका. Is it from the Cornell University का एक document है?
No.
The author is.
Website.
I'll send the link. I'll send the link.
एक kosher.org पे भी है उसका PDF है उनका नाम.
Yeah, वही PDF वाला. उसमें you will have a proverb written in Devanagari also. Devanagari script.
Excellent. Sunilji, now that you are on, let me say another thing. Maybe you will know the meaning of that.
Madam, I'm not that good with proverbs, but go ahead.
Mara try करियो. अच्छा नहीं है.
Yeah, go ahead. Picture Rashmi was पता.
Rashmi पता. Exert sum saas gav koile.
Wuzumuchu.
Herd immunity kind of follow somebody following.
You this is very apt for these days.
Yes.
I picked these up. Exert sum saas gav koile.
Oh my God.
These are like very dense.
वो यही होगा ना something like COVID का Instagram Pushpa Tiwari and Devan teacher.
No, COVID. Don't blame everything on COVID, guys.
Yeah. It's like one guy makes a mistake, others follow. Like
everybody follows, right?
It's absolutely that, and I think it's very apt for the social media these days.
Yeah.
One person puts a comment there, and there's like millions who are following with not knowing what's happening.
What's happening?
Exert sum saas gav koile.
एक ने कुछ किया तो एक ने jump मारी तो 100 लोगों ने jump
मारी. Sum, I didn't know sum. Sum was actually a dam. Sum is dam. Exert sum, so someone broke the dam and so many people like kind of got drowned.
Aktsot sum.
Exert sum.
Exert sum.
Ek means one.
Saas gay koile.
Saas gay koile.
Herd mentality.
Herd mentality.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Nice.
Anyone else wants to take a dig while I check something else?
Okay.
इसका बताओ
क्या था तोन छे हज
Braga mekus.
Braga तोचे हज. But where is it? Why does it apply?
Switches be yaad karan. I think
so.
Go to some. I don't know.
Like some people who feel that mechonit theek. I think that's what it is. So there's timaswana braga to chehoj boswana me kya shunat so. I don't know how to apply it though.
Or maybe kisi ko just to put them down. Braga tonche.
I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know what the application of these, bro, but some are clear. You know, Bakshi marginal lachikata setaras gilaf.
Oh wow.
This my father it was his favorite one when we were growing up.
What does the second part mean?
So,
first is
marginal lachika to setaras gilaf. So I'll tell you what used to happen. We used to go to school, like, you know, myself, my sister. So we used to ask my father or my mother, I need like, you know, this for money for this thing or that thing. And he would always say, marginal lachika to setaras gilaf.
Setaras gilaf. आप मीनिंग पूछ के आओगे अंकल से?
नहीं, मेरे को मीनिंग पता है, मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ.
अच्छा, आप पूछ रहे हैं.
मतलब कि आता कुछ नहीं है, but तुम्हें एक्स्ट्रा सामान चाहिए, something like that, right?
Yeah, you know, we are like, you're asking for luxury. We don't even have food on the table. Marginal lachka means your mother doesn't have firan on. She doesn't have the essential clothes on. And you want setar ka cover upar se?
Cover.
So don't ask for luxury when you don't have the bare essentials at home.
So marginal
lachko fairness asan lachka.
Acha marginal lachka
setaras gilaf.
Setaras
obviously luxury, like
right yeah.
Okay. Cover for that, you know, you want like cover for the setar, like marginal lachka.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's
something. I think it's we have 6 more minutes. Any Renu, are you done with
yeah, I mean, I'll take picture later.
She'll take some time.
Almost done.
She does
not really
perfection.
Like,
yes. Oh my God.
Renos are always
She's
perfect.
Urvashi's are coming out.
ये देखो, ये
oh nice Urvashi.
This is a close up.
तो ये भी मिक्स है क्या? आपने भी मिक्स बनाया उर्वशी?
मैंने अदरक और अदरक और थोड़ा सा इसमें वो डाला राइस फ्लावर, मिर्ची, गरम मसाला और नमक.
So very nice.
Add कर दी.
We want all the pictures, guys. Vivek, आप भी
please.
आपके थोड़े ज़्यादा ही crisp बन गए थे. I was tempted.
तो बहुत अच्छे हैं.
नहीं, अच्छे बने थे, काफी अच्छे बने थे. अभी मैंने रखे हैं सामने खाने के लिए.
Vivek is a food critic, हाँ. So everybody.
अगली बार हो जाए फिर. आप क्या बनाओगे अगली बार?
March में, first week of March, first Saturday of March.
Go boil Karun.
Renu will put out a sheet. Everybody please self-subscribe.
Yeah, I'm going to put out a Google sheet maybe. Then just
so everyone per your convenience, give yourself a date and you know.
And whatever you like.
And the item.
मुझे लगता है सुनील जी को डाल दो यार. आज सुनील जी आए हैं, उनको डाल दो.
Rashmi ji is on.
Rashmi ji करना. Rashmi ji is she's a good cook.
Rashmi ji is promised she'll do one of them.
The one should do it.
क्या चीज़ करूँ मैं?
सुनील जी से खाने को करा सिर्फ.
Chicken with broccoli. That is Meda's favorite.
That is Meda, not yours.
We can eat Brussels sprouts. We can
do anything, you know. We are actually लक्टन खतरती करान quick meals. अगर ती करियो demonstrate.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Vanyo subakaya.
Vanyo subakaya. You check out the press. Vanyo subakaya.
Father-daughter session, grandparent, kid session, please.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
Yeah,
Father-daughter is nice.
Last couple of Fridays, my daughter said, okay, she's going to make dinner for us. So last Friday, she made chicken enchilada.
Oh, nice.
उससे पहले Thai, she made pad Thai and broccoli soup. Actually, broccoli soup, that was the first time I had Thai broccoli soup with a coconut milk and green chilies. It was really nice.
Very nice.
Then yesterday she was supposed to make eggplant parmigiana, but then she was somewhere else, so she came late.
Renu, late ho gaya. Very good idea to have kids, you know, take the demonstrations, you know. That'd be perfect because they will teach us like entirely different chef menu here. So
and it's nice for kids to get used to, cooking for
get
themselves,
involved
cutting, holding a knife, so they don't feel scared of these either the kitchen.
We'll start with older kids also, like
what I would propose this year for Mother's Day and Father's Day, on Mother's Day have kids and kids prepare them something for moms, and on fathers also give it to kids. Give it to kids so that they feel involved as a part of it.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
We have done that in the past. So kids,
so that would be fantastic.
We have friends. They have like almost similar age kids. So a year here and there. So they did last couple of years. That was like pretty nice. They took over everything. They made everything from scratch. So for all the parents, we were just sitting there on Mother's Day usually, and then Father's Day they did something else.
And then Indu, like we talked about, having grandparents and kids, whoever together, that is perfect for them to demonstrate. Like it's so wonderful to see the chemistry between the grandchildren and the grandparents. I mean, I know that in my household that has always been the case. It would be perfect to see that in the kitchen.
Yes.
I never would cook. Parents वैसे allowed वहाँ करने. मगर both parents were working, so winter vacation में आसान दादी आसान गरी. So when everybody would leave for office, she was very good cook, and also she loved to cook. As age tas वारिया मगर तो तो दमा किन्हत किश में बनाऊं अगर अच्छा क्या सुन बन्योमत अगर तुम पसंद आए से तिलोस तुम सा किन्हत के बनाऊं. And I was always partner in crime with her. Take me along. अच्छा से दाग ये काट वे काज बटस में अच्छा से बना ये अच्छा. So I would help her. So that is actually where my little bit of interest in cooking came. I never myself cooked. मगर पता उसमें पता आसन कि यार क्या मजा है, सुध क्या मजा है, जिम से क्या है,
You're a food critic, right?
Yeah.
We have to be all careful before we eat.
But grandparents, they play a big role. Even my grandfather, my mother's father, he also used to cook for himself. So I used to always go after him ki kya banawan, because that will always be something very tasty. So he used to avoid me. So we would go to his home, and then my mother would say, "Acha 1 year," and I would never leave because I would know that he has cooked something and I have to eat that.
Those memories are like, you cannot replace those memories. I remember my grandmother, grandchildren, and while we were like, we were probably 4 or 5 years old, but we would run around, and then it was your word again. My cousins and me, that was beautiful times,
Yeah.
Beautiful meals. Literally, zamdad batat, maybe chutney or sabzi or whatever.
Yes, simple foods.
Very simple, very simple. And
I remember वो this पेठे ना करते थे पेठन.
प्रसाद तहर पूजा का.
Yeah. Tahar asa dima.
Tahar charvan olu and all that. Exit halis was but shirin khavnavan.
Az agar titken karo exit halis mas.
Meda chu वैसे फर्स्ट करन तमिस गसे आसन तहर दिमा तमिस गसे मेट बने. Yeah, Meda likes meat bane.
Oh wow.
Meat bane na akha vatans.
Yeah.
Hello, thank you. Sorry, I have to drop off. I have to join another call. Ajay, thank you so much.
We are 1 minute past already.
Yeah, we're almost done.
बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you so much, everyone.
And Ajay, आपने trend शुरू करी, तो hopefully I'll motivate Navneet also.
There you go.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'll ask him. Yeah.
All the men have.
Namaskar, Sarni.
Thank you, Princey.
Thank you, Princey.
Ajay ji, you want to take a picture of your stuff since it's done and post it on the Khyenchen.
Okay.
Yeah, please do.
Sure.
Ajay ji, and also
and thank you.
Send me a couple of lines because we have to start again. And
Yes. I'll send it right now.
Please join for the COVID. Everybody else.
For the COVID talk, we are going to shift gears now from nothing.
I know.
We are going to do the COVID talk afterwards.
Change your.
Thank you, Ajay ji and Renu ji.
Thank you, Renu.
Thanks for joining. Thank you, everyone.
You are giving me the envy, and I am having heartburn looking at your, sun hat and the blue sky. I just have a virtual background.
We have a hot day here today.
Just send some warmth over here, and thank you.
I know.
Thank you,
We need
everybody.
it.
Warm.
Thank you.
Everybody.
Bye. Thanks again, Ajay ji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
See you.